So guys, I tried intermittent fasting along with no sugar and I lost 1 kg in just 5 days.
Now whatever you wear, babe.
So guys, before we begin, now let's have a look at the outfit of the day. Hey guys, welcome back to Girls Beauty and I hope you all are doing great. So today is going to be the second video of the weight loss series where we are going to talk about the food, not just the food and also the timings at which you should be eating the food. So according to the thumb rule to lose weight, 75% of the weight loss depends on the food that we eat and only 25% depends on the exercise. So this is one of the main reasons I thought of creating a separate video on food. So without much ado, let's jump right into the video. So guys, before we begin this video, I want to highlight few points that why you want to lose weight. For example, people argue that I'm happy in my own skin, I look good, I feel good, why should I lose weight? So you don't want to lose weight just to look attractive or to gain some confidence. This is related to your health as well. If you are young and you have put on some weight, you might feel okay now, but in long run it is going to cause you lots of problems because when we have fat around our tummies, that's the most evil thing. It is root cause of so many diseases because if you eat right and you do physical activity, you're not only going to lose weight, but you will have very glowing skin, beautiful hair and whatnot because everything is interrelated. This should be one of the compelling reasons for you to lose weight. But don't worry about it because I'm going to make the third video of the series which will be related to all psychology and why you should be losing weight. So wait for that one. The first thing is going to be the number of calories that you eat. This is a no-brainer. So if you want to lose weight, you should consume less number of calories than the average person on a daily basis. So on an average, females need 2000 calories per day. So if you want to reduce weight and if you are a female, you should be consuming only 1500 calories per day to reduce 1 pound of weight per week. If you're a man, average number of calories that you should be consuming is 2500, but in case you want to lose weight, reduce 500 calories, so make it 2000 calories per day if you want to reduce 1 pound per week. So now let's talk about the low calorie and high nutrient foods. Number 1 is going to be oats. So you can consume every morning in your breakfast quick oats which are very easy to make and it's very healthy and very filling. And other low calorie and high nutrient foods are soups, berries, eggs, chia seeds, fish, etc. So third, I'm going to move on a very important and big no-no if you're trying to lose weight is sugar. You have to completely cut down on the sugar if you want to reduce weight. So some of the natural foods to replace sugar, you can have honey, dates, maple syrup, etc. But if you're very serious about losing weight, then I would suggest not to indulge in any sugary stuff. You should definitely cut down on the sugar as much as possible. Completely get rid of the sodas in your life. You can replace that with fresh juice, even though it has lots of sugar, but it is much better than having colas to have a glass of fresh juice because that is going to give you nutrients as well, not just sugar. So another very important factor to lose weight is the timings. The timings at what you eat your food. So there is another very interesting concept, intermittent fasting, which is another very big topic. So I'm gonna briefly touch that topic in this video. In case you want a full video, do let me know. This is a very powerful technique if you're trying to lose weight. So what is intermittent fasting? You should be fasting for 16 hours before you consume your next meal. Say if you had dinner 6 p.m. and then next meal you're going to have is next day at 10 o'clock, which is not bad, I guess. So if you do that and on alternate days during the week, and on that particular day when you are doing intermittent fasting, make sure you are not eating high protein food. So you have to eat something which is very easy to digest for your body. During those days, your body is going to cleanse and get rid of most of the toxins, and it makes it very easier to reduce weight. In case you want to know more about intermittent fasting, do let me know in the comment section below. I will make a video for you guys. So guys, for the breakfast, I would suggest to eat something which is very natural. For example, you can start with avocados, vegetable juice, or you can consume oats, fresh fruits. So in terms of fresh fruits, please pick something which has low sugar in it. So for lunch, you should be consuming 50% of the salad, 25% of protein and 25% of carbohydrates. So that makes it a very nutritious meal which helps you to lose weight. So for the dinner, I would suggest stick to soup, dals, etc. and salad. No carbohydrates if you want to lose weight. For example, in my case, I'm also trying to reduce carbohydrate as much as possible because it's hard for your body to digest, especially after dinner you're going to sleep and you are not doing any physical activity. So that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please hit the like button, share your feedback in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing because I'm sure you don't want to miss out all the information and the discussions which you have in the comment section. And also don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out the future video notifications. So guys, on that beautiful and healthy note, I would say sayonara.
Now whatever you at, babe,